there is a whole lot of variation, and some of the models are very poor, and many models, most of the models have a dry bias. That means they don't produce enough rainfall over India, and some models have wet bias. This is temperature. Let us not talk too much about this. But the problem is that there is a lot of serious error in the models in simulating the present annual cycle of monsoon, because the monsoon is a part of that annual cycle. You remember I mentioned the annual cycle of migration of rain band. So the annual cycle has to be corrected. And that annual cycle, there is a lot of errors. That is one problem. So that is why the projections will all be affected by these errors. Therefore, the projections are not reliable. In fact, we did some recent study. For example, we have now gone to look at now the CME5 models, the recent models. We took out 10 best out of these models, and it turns out that this is the observed trend of rainfall over India. This is what I have shown you earlier. But these are the trends produced by various different. Most of them produce an increasing trend. So they cannot even produce the observed decreasing trend of rainfall in the last 50, 60 years. So then we have a big problem.